So I want to show a video to my students and it's on YouTube, but the video is a bit longer than I want it to be, and there's just a certain portion of the video that I want to present to them and not the whole video. So I'm going to show you how to do that on a Google slide. So here I am in Google Slides, and I'm going to go to my next slide where I'm actually going to be inserting a video, and then I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to choose the video that I want to play. This one goes for about 2 minutes. And I'm not going to show that entire 2 minutes, but what I am going to do in YouTube is I'm going to hit that share button right here, and I'm going to copy the URL to the video. I'm going to go back into my Google Slides, and at this point I'm going to go to Insert Video, and I can paste that URL there. And then I'll select that video. And it's dropping that video in there, but it's going to play the full 2 minutes. So what I'm going to do to restrict that is come over here to my format options over here. And if that is not showing up and you don't even see that panel at all, you can bring it back by going up to your format menu and going to format options. So in that format options panel, if I play the little preview video here, it'll start playing the whole thing. I happen to know that where I want my video to start is a little bit more than a minute into it. So I'm just going to start playing it around here, and then I'll pause it when I'm at that starting point.
To their future self 1,000 school days from now, which is when they will be juniors in high school.
Okay, right about there is where I want it to start playing. So I've paused it. I'm going to come down here and use current time for the starting time. So it looks like at 1 minute 3 seconds, excuse me, is where it's going to start. As far as an end point, you'll hit play, and then you'll figure out what point you want it to end.
Next, this week, our latest podcast was released focusing on service learning at Hudson High School. Our service learning program began back in 1998 and has served as a model for the Ohio Department of Education.
Let's say I want to end it there. Just keep it nice and brief. So at that point, I'm going to use that current time, and then it's good to go. So at that point, when I go back into my slides and actually click on slideshow to present it full screen, when I hit play,
next, this week, our latest podcast was released focusing on service learning at Hudson High School. Our service learning program began back in 1998 and has served as a model for the Ohio Department of Education.
And there you have it. So I'll just hit escape now and go back to my editing. That is how you can insert a video, and you can make your own start and endpoints on YouTube and put it into a Google slideshow. It's a really good way to play just a portion of a video to your class, or even to put it up on Google Classroom so that they can watch those fixed start and end points of that shortened video. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.